In the previous video, we showed you how the visitor pass process works at the gate, right from scanning the QR code to filling all the information and submitting it. A notification is sent to the host as well as the security person can see on his dashboard. So now we'll see how the process works from the admin side of view. So if you are the security guard or the admin, you will come on visitor flow and you will log in with your username and password. So you get a complete dashboard. So as you can see, as I've already applied for the visitor pass, you can see total visitors 1, pending approval 1, currently inside 0 because my gate pass has not been approved by the host or by the security team. So I can get inside and meet the host. And this is a count of today's visitor. So this is a quick dashboard which when you log in, you land here. And next tab is for visitor desk. So visitor desk is nothing but all the list of visitors which have appeared at the gate and have applied for the visitor pass and what is the status of the visitor pass. Has it been approved by the host? All that can be viewed here. Date and time and everything can be viewed here as well. So say I've applied here for the visitor pass under the name of Rishabh Modi and I'm here to meet Mr. Rajesh Sharma. And as a security guard or the admin side, I can click and view the gate pass. Now I have got two options. I can approve it or reject it. I can also download a PDF copy if some companies still want to work with paper and they want to take a printout and use printed visitor pass as a document to manage the internal workflow. You can do that as well, but we don't suggest that because this is fully a beautiful digital experience. The security team can also add notes here to the process. Say, for example, has carried Dell laptop and some parts sample with invoice number dated so you can add this kind of notes also to the visitor pass. So you can see that a note has arrived here. Now the security team can also approve or reject it, but let's go 1 minute out of that and see how the visitor process looks from the host. So host gets an email notification. So here you can see in this email, the host got an email notification that Rishabh Modi is here to meet, and the host has a option where he can click and approve the entire process. So he can approve it or reject it, as I said. So this can be done between the security team or the host. So that can be decided as per your company policy. So say a host approves it currently. So what happens? So once the host approves this, you can see the status has changed and approval is now also visible to the security team and they can let me get in to meet Mr. Rajesh Sharma. And once the meeting is over, Rajesh can also click on meeting close. So that will also reflect the out time on the visitor dashboard. So let's go back here. Now you can, we are on the visitor list dashboard. Right now, as I've already given the approval, you can see that, okay, my gate pass has been approved on 8:40 today and it is approved. So I can go in. So once I go in and once I conduct the meeting, when the meeting gets over, the host has got a option where he can end the meeting also. So here he comes on this page and he will say, once the meeting is done, great meeting, Mr. Rishabh Modi, wonderful. So Rajesh will close this and the meeting is closed. Now, what the security team will see is the same thing that, okay, the meeting is closed, complete, and we can click and view it. Okay, all that is completely digitized, simple, very easy to go. no fuss, and it saves time for all the parties. So as I explained you, this is a very simple tool to manage the visitor process, legally compliant with all the HR policies, and can be deployed in multiple units or multiple factories or offices with ease. You can also get a complete report of visitor in the Excel sheet. You can click on this. Before that, you can select the date, what timeline you want the information, and that's very easy. Other than the entire process, uh, so we are right now in the admin side, that is the master user, we call it. So there are a couple of things I would like to walk you. So you can add different units if your company has got. So right now I added only Baroda unit. You can add multiple departments of your company. So I added only 3 here, but you can define it by clicking on add button. Then comes visit purpose. You can define your visit purpose, why people come to your company to meet. Could be interview, maintenance, sales, whatever you can set as per your uh, current policies. You can define gates also. So many companies have got multiple gates from where the visitors come in. So which gate the visitor is coming, you can track that as well. In the security sub-user, you can create multiple sub-users for the security team as well. And it becomes very easy for them to manage the entire process. Then comes the staff list. You can add all the staff list, potential people to whom people come to meet can be added here. So that can also reflect in the visitor form. So the visitor can select to whom he is to whom he has been invited or whom he's going to meet today, and select all the information based on that. So this staff list can also be imported through a CSV file to the tool, or you can also add manually uh, the details of the staff one by one. Finally, let's get back to the visitor desk. So this is the tab which normally the security team will monitor about how many people are here. And the final dashboard gives you a complete view. You can see my meeting is completely over now. So I'm not inside, I've left. So you can see the visitor count and everything here. So this is completely a cloud-based platform, no software to be installed by the users. Uh, it's very light technically to use, very cost effective as well. So in this video, I just explained you explained you how the visitor flow process works. Now in the next video, we'll create about how the experience works on the mobile phone for the security users. So that is also possible. You can log in from the mobile phone as well. So great to explain you. If you have any questions, feel free to contact Visitor Flow anytime. Thank you.